Hey friends, welcome to the course description for SCA Brewing Foundations. Now here we're going to walk through a quick overview and resources to help you understand what's in this course and how to get the most from it. So if this is one of your first courses, or if you've been brewing coffee for a long time and you've taken other courses, either way, I think you're going to enjoy all of the exercises. There's a lot of repetition and kind of extraction practice inside of this course that really was just fun to put together, and I know you're going to enjoy as you fill out those brewing sheets and just repeat the process over and over, kind of build your brewing muscles and sensory muscles. So from the Specialty Coffee Association, I'll share with you the description, but I want you to know that whatever tools and resources, documents are needed for this course, I'll provide those or provide a good direction and pathway for you to find those and put this course together wherever you're learning in this hybrid distance learning modality. So, course description from the SCA handbook. The Brewing Foundation course introduces the learner to different methods of brewing coffee. The learner will receive theoretical and practical hands-on instruction for a range of devices, including the automatic and manual gravity brewers, as well as other commonly used brewers within your local culture or that are accessible to you. You learners will also explore how to produce tasty brewed beverages based on understanding of some of the essential brewing elements and how to analyze your brew results. So in this course, we'll look at the origins of coffee, sensory impact of species and process, freshness, brewing methods, devices, grinders, 7 essential elements of brewing as defined by the SCA, coffee to water ratio, devices and culturally suitable brew ratios, grind settings, effects of extraction and flow rate, brewing time, water temperature, brewing turbulence, water quality, filter media, holding hot brewed coffee, using various brewing devices, describing brew qualities and some of the problems that are introduced, balancing your brew, optimum extraction, optimal concentration, brewing control charts, cleaning, and then ultimately your mock online SCA exam, which will prepare you for certification. All of the content will be covered here, and then the digital course resources, as you see, can be downloaded. Those can be used. Just give proper citation and reference when you're sharing those with your team or using them. All of these resources, if you don't download them now or you fail to come back and find them, they can be bookmarked at rock.coffee. So go ahead and jump over there. I have all the foundation, intermediate, and professional resources from the SCA that should be used for your courses, and those can be accessed at any time. So looking at within this course, we'll look at several different brewers I mentioned: French press, Chemex, Able cone, Kalita flat bottom, automatic dripper, V60 pour over, the AeroPress, Mocha pot, Turkish, and E-brick Chesba. Now, if you don't have some coffee brewers, or if you only have a couple, that's okay. You can put these courses, these activities and exercises in the course together. So don't worry about that. As you do, you'll obviously need some coffee. You can get that coffee and some of the different varieties of coffee at the Rock Coffee Lab. So I put a link there for a Brewing Foundations kit. All of my foundation courses include the option to upgrade for a kit, or you can put those together locally with your resources. Finally, I'm really happy to introduce a referral program. So if you like this course or you've taken others, you have the chance within your user account just to click a refer a friend link. And by sharing that link with a friend, they'll automatically get 20% off if they purchase through your link. When they purchase through your link, you will get a kickback of 20% off your next course. So give 20, get 20, and maybe you're ready to take the next course after this one. You want to take Brewing Intermediate or Barista Skills. That's wonderful. Here's a way to save 20% on your next course. So enjoy, and can't wait to see you in class. Keep growing. Let's get started.